Hello guys, in this video we're going to be talking about Alkimiya. This airdrop is very new and recent, just zero fees with big wins. Now you have to act very fast because it takes just 3 minutes to sign up and you are among the first users. No fees in this airdrop at all. The path is just clear and there's about $7 million in funding, so the treasure is very real. Now Alkimiya is building a decentralized protocol to trade synthetic block space resources through smart contracts. Now is your chance to be a part of it. Now let me show you how to sign in, but before then, if you are new to this channel, I want you to click that subscription button, click on notification and like this video so more persons got to see it. Now I'll guide you through the signing up process. You come over here, you click on I agree, accepting the terms and conditions. Now you sign up with your wallet. You sign in with your wallet. To use Zerion, you choose your preferred wallet, MetaMask. I use my Zerion wallet. Connect. This will take a might take a few times or some seconds to load. It's asking me to sign in. I click on sign in. Now click on continue. I click on I'm not a robot. Click on sign in. Dashboard. This is our dashboard. So the first thing you're going to be doing is connect your Twitter handle so you can level up very fast. Connect your Twitter handle. Connect your X app. You connect your X app. The app. Now it has verified. The next thing you do is to join on Discord. Connect your Discord. After connecting your Twitter, you connect your Discord. Now you can authorize your Discord. Then you can also join the Discord server. later I'll do that. So now you have joined that, you just have to follow Alkimiya on Twitter, engage daily and weekly on their posts, like, repost, reply to their project related posts. Each completed task transforms into points called SP or tickets, which can unlock rewards. Every time you create, discuss, or help others discover Alkimiya, you are not just sharing information, you are collecting the building blocks of your future rewards. The journey is just beginning. This is how to follow up. If you have gotten any value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, because more testnet videos like this is going to be coming up soon on my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to get potential airdrops this season. I'll see you on my next video.